Hi and welcome to Inaya Pearls. This is Imrana Varsi. I'm the founder and owner of Inaya Pearls, an online jewelry store, and we deal with jewelry made of freshwater pearls and real semi-precious stones as well. So if you're interested, do have a look at inayapearls.com. And on this channel we talk a lot about jewelry and styling, makeup and skincare and inner confidence. And if you're interested in all these topics, then you must continue to listen and watch. And so today I've created this festive look for you. As we know, there are lots and lots of festivals in this month of August, and so I thought, let me just share something which I've created for all of you. And before we proceed, if you're new here, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and if you've already subscribed, then welcome back. So let's go ahead with the look. So since I'm talking about the entire look, I'll be focusing briefly on every aspect head to toe, but in depth I will not be covering anything because then the video becomes too long. So here we go. So starting with the first and the foremost thing is selection of your outfit. So I've selected this pale green and white and silver. It's got all these silver work here, if you can see. It's very elegant, I think, in my opinion. You can have your own opinion. So I thought this was perfect for this whole pandemic situation, since we are not really having big get-togethers or going all out there and all of that. So this is a very subtle shade and a simple outfit, and it's very comfortable to wear. I'll be putting up a picture here so you can have you can get an idea of the entire look. It's one of those long gown outfits, and so green is very much the color of the season, I feel, because it's also the Independence Day just around the corner, and also the monsoons are going on in full swing. So green is very much the color of the season according to me. So after you select the outfit, now you can select whatever works for you, bright colors, light colors, anything that's good enough for you. It will be good, because here it's purely your personal choice. So once the outfit has been, you've selected the outfit, then the next we go to what kind of jewelry are you going to wear with the outfit. And if you already know me, you know that jewelry is one of my favorite topics. But apart from that, I also like to help women look good and feel good, and hence I do all of these videos here and all these podcasts basically. So after that, based on your outfit, then we can actually play around with the jewelry ideas here. So the colors in this outfit are basically, you can use anything silver, white or green, or a combination of all the three colors. So in jewelry, you just need to remember one simple rule. One is, like, either you wear matching jewelry or you wear something contrasting, which is very complementary and works very well with each other. Now before I explain about the jewelry, I would here I'm only showing you, like, basically I'll show you one look with the two earrings. But if you want to know how the same earrings can be paired with different types of outfits and shades and colors, please follow us on Instagram, Inaya Pearls at Instagram, because we'll be sharing the different looks which can be created with the same pieces of jewelry. So do remember to follow Inaya Pearls on Instagram. So now if you can see what I'm wearing here, these earrings. Now I'll put in a picture here so you can have a close look, but I'll also show it to you here. But the picture will give you a clearer idea. So these are handmade link chain earrings with pearls, real freshwater pearls, and the green stone here is genuine real aventurine stone, and these are some crystal beads here. Now these are long earrings, and so for this dressy festive outfit, I think this works well. Now my favorite thing about these earrings, I think I've shared a lot of other earrings as well. Here you go. You can wear this earring as a stud. So this kind of jewelry, I think, makes a fabulous investment, because you can buy one piece of jewelry and it works in two different ways. Like, these earrings can easily be worn as a simple stud on a day-to-day casual situation. You can do that, and just to dress it up, you can. All you have to do is link it here. I'll just show it to you. There you go. And your dressy earrings are there, and you're ready to go out. no, we are not really going out, but I mean ready to dress up. So these are handmade, it's an in-house creation, and you can check them out on the website and definitely have a look. So, and we can even customize these in different colors if you like. So in these earrings work really well with this outfit because it has green, white, and for contrast we've thrown in a bit of orange, pale yellowish orange beads. But you can really get it customized, and that's another thing about Inaya Pearls, that we also do customized jewelry. We have a basic range, but in case if somebody wants to customize it according to their outfit, so you'll have a unique piece of jewelry all for you, which is completely customized for you, and I think that's a great idea. I haven't seen a lot of real pearl people doing out there these kind of things. So that's a little tip for you. Now I'll just show you another piece of now if you're one of those people who don't prefer long earrings, so we have something in a different size for you, and that's what I'm going to show you. So this is another, I call it the grape bunch earrings. Again, this is in silver, sterling silver and real pearls, and all you have to do is just hook it up here and you're good to go. So you can see the size difference in the earrings. These are really long and these are really you can say medium length, not short I would say, but medium length. So these are two looks. So I'll keep this as it is so you can have a look. So if you're one of those who prefer long earrings, you can go for this or something like this, and if you're somebody who prefers a shorter length, you can go for this. And of course let's not forget the studs. If you're somebody who doesn't like hanging earrings, you can check out a lot of studs we have in different combinations and different designs, so you can have a look at that. Now going ahead, after your and in jewelry, of course, jewelry is not just about earrings, but it's also about bracelets, rings and necklaces, the whole lot. So since these are long earrings and this is basically a high collar outfit, so I've just I'm only going to be wearing earrings. There's the other rule with jewelry, when if you have really heavy earrings, go light on the necklace or just skip it in this case. So had this been a rounder neckline or some other shape, I would have worn something really light because these are already quite long. And of course if you've seen my episodes before, you know that I love this particular ring. I call it the bunch ring. It's adjustable and sterling silver, and it's my go-to all-time favorite. Sorry, not earrings, I meant ring. It's my go-to all-time favorite ring, because you just wear this and you just kind of you're ready to go anywhere. It looks really kind of different, I would say. And again, yes, these are also pearls. These are not just beads. These are real pearls. These are called Baroque pearls. As you can see, the shape is uneven. The Baroque pearls are basically pearls which are uneven, shaped in an uneven manner, and they make, according to me, these are really pretty, and they are one of my favorites. See, all of us have seen round pearls, but for me this is something really different and very pretty, and it's got a rainbow sheen to it, just like a pearl is supposed to have. I don't know if the camera is capturing it, but anyway, I'll put in a picture and maybe you can have a look at that as well. So since these sleeves are shorter here, so it's good to dress up your hands, and rings, you can wear rings, and we are done with the jewelry. Next, and very, very important, makeup. And a lot of people, a lot of women don't have much of an idea. A lot of people do, so it depends. If you're one of those who know what to do, then it's fine. In case you need help with makeup, I'm here to help you. So first thing and foremost, your base. The base has to be completely matching with your skin tone. I think I've shared this in another video of mine. I had done another festive look some time back. I'm going to link it up here, so you can have a look at that in case you're interested. So in makeup, you take basically how to choose your foundation. Quick tip: the foundation, you apply it here on your jawline over here, and it should go down here. And it should be a foundation which completely merges with your skin. That's your ideal and correct shade of foundation. It should neither be one shade brighter, nor should it be a shade darker. Most people think that they want to look glowing and nice, and so they should buy a shade lighter than the actual skin tone. That's a total no-go area, because that kind of foundation, if you use the wrong shade, either a lighter or a darker one, after some time you start looking unhealthy, that the unhealthy kind of color comes on your face, and that just doesn't work. So always, whenever you select your foundation, please choose it as close as to your skin tone, that there should be no difference. I shouldn't be able to make out whether you're wearing a foundation or is it your skin. It should be so good, and that is the foundation that's going to give you a beautiful glow, and that adds to the glow, not a shade fairer than your skin tone. So important point to remember. After your base is done, another important thing, and I think it's such a favorite topic of mine apart from lipsticks, that I'm also going to cover it separately. I'll definitely be doing a tutorial on eyebrows. Extremely important, can totally change your look, make or break your look, completely change it. So eyebrows are very underestimated, and a lot of people have no idea. You know, they have put the right shade of lipstick on, the base is good, but the eyebrows here is missing. Now if you don't believe me, I have almost non-existent eyebrows, almost. And for the longest time I used to be really sad, because now that I'm into makeup and I'm a trained makeup artist, I think the greatest gift for me was how to do my eyebrows, and because I can see the transformation on my face with that. If I compare my old pictures and my new, total transformational change. And trust me, I don't even consider it as makeup. It's one of those basic things, but it comes under the category of makeup, but I consider it one of those basic things that if you just if you know, you just get up and do your eyebrows and you're set, you don't have to do anything. It's that important. So I don't even consider it as makeup anymore. It's like part of my, like washing my face or something like that. So eyebrows are extremely important, and to do it right is very important. So I'm not doing a tutorial right now, but definitely I will be, it's on my list to do. So what you should do, if you're very confident and comfortable, then you can use an eyebrow pencil, but I still don't recommend that. A dark brown, a combination of a black and brown shade for Indian skin tones will work beautifully, and it's easier to make your eyebrows using that. You know, an eyeshadow palette having black and browns, and I'll show it to you in the tutorial for sure. Till then you can just understand that eyebrows are extremely important. Okay, moving on to, after your base, your eyebrows are done, then your eye makeup. Now so eye makeup, if you ask me one thing which is very important, even if you don't do anything, but what's the one thing that I would recommend, obviously I think it's the eyeliner. And a winged one like what I've done, I think works well for most eye shapes and for most faces, and it just adds a touch of glamour and a complete look to your entire makeup. So if you're a person who is not really into a lot of makeup, a simple eyeliner, winged eyeliner would do you well. And of course, how nicely, it all depends on your practice. So the more you practice, the better you get at that. So eyeliner. But if you like experimenting with eyeshadows, of course, so for this look I'll just come a little closer. You can see I've used 2 shades of eyeshadow here. If you are very new to eyeshadows, a simple single color would do, but in case you are up for it, and then you can use 2 shades. Now the trick here, or the rule here to remember, is that in a 2 shade eyeshadow, the outer corner will always be of a darker color, and the inner side up to the almost a little more than middle, a little more than half, will be of a lighter color. So here, since my outfit had a bit of silver, so what I have done is taken a silvery kind of color in the first half of the eye, and in the second half towards the corners I have taken a darker shade. So this is the basic eyeshadow trick, or it's not even a trick, it's a basic application of eyeshadow. And how well you blend it gives you it, as the name suggests, shadow. It should look like it's a shadow around your eyes. It shouldn't be too harsh, then it's not considered the correct way of applying it. I mean, that's basically not considered a good application of eyeshadow. So and what you can do for festive looks like this, I did not have the glitter, I think I need to order some. You can use those pigmented glitters, powders that you get in different brands. I'll definitely be looking at that, and then once I know which ones I'm picking up, I'll share it with you guys. So those pigmented little glitter powders work wonders. So ideally, if you ask me on this eyeshadow, if I had the glitter powder, I would have used a little on this part, you know, on this half of the eye, not the outer half. I would have used that. So that's one thing. Any festive, any dressy look will work really well with those glitter powder pigments. So coming from the eyes, yeah, and of course kajal. Now I'm the kind of person, personally speaking, I think I'm just happy with a very light kajal layer, but that totally depends on you, the kind of shape my eyes have and the kind of structure that I have. I think a light kajal works well for me. So this you will know when you experiment, like try a light kajal, see how it looks, then you can try a darker kajal and see how that goes. And then, okay, coming back to, I think the video is getting too long, so I'll quickly go through the rest of the points since we are covering the whole look. So after the eye makeup is done, you come to the lipstick. Now I've done 2 entire tutorial videos on lipstick, basically not tutorials but basically knowledge about how to select the right lipstick for your clothes and for your skin tone. I link all those here and you can have a look at them either at the end of this video or in the middle, whatever works for you. So lipstick shades, how to choose the right shade of lipstick, you can definitely watch those videos, and also for your skin tone. So for this I've used a shade of coral. Coral works very well with shades like green and all earth colors basically, and you have to match your the blush with your lipstick. So if your lipstick is in coral, the blush has to be in peach. That's how it works. And if your lipstick is pink, then the blush can be also in pink. So that's done. Now, yes, of course, contouring and highlighting. So highlighting is done on all the high points of the face, the nose, the upper edge of the cheekbones above the blush, and the blush then follows, and below that the contour. So now these are very specific skills, especially contouring. You really need a good amount of practice with that, but basically I think we all know it gives us a chiseled look, and that's that. So since this video is getting too long, I think I will wrap it up here. So and yes, last point, the makeup setting spray. So after your makeup is done, please use a good quality makeup setting spray to set all your makeup, so you can rest, you can just rest and relax, and the makeup setting spray keeps your makeup in place for a long time. So to wrap this up, I'll just say that I hope you liked this look. Please do like, share, subscribe if you found this helpful, and also try out these tips for your own look and do share with me how your experience was. And remember to follow us on Instagram, because we'll be using these earrings and creating more looks for you there as well, to tell you that what kind of outfits can go with these kind of earrings and how you can play around with it. So I wish all of you a very happy festive month, and have a great month. Enjoy yourself, stay safe, and see you soon. And thank you so much for watching.